Hi, I'm Corey from IDParts.com. Today, we are going to replace a brake light switch on a Mk4 Jetta. The same process will apply to any modern Volkswagen with a 4-pin brake light switch, including Mk4 Jettas or Golfs or new Beetles, that kind of stuff. When the brake light switch fails, it will cause all sorts of trouble. First, your rear brake lights may not turn on when you step on the brakes. Or they may turn on randomly even if you aren't pressing on the brake pedal. Your cruise control will also be disabled. If you have a diesel, you'll see a flashing glow plug light in your instrument cluster, and if you have an automatic transmission, the transmission will not allow you to shift out of park. To complete this job, you will need a T20 torx screwdriver and access to a high-quality scan tool to reset any error codes caused by the faulty switch. Importantly, we're going to install the latest version or latest revision of this brake light switch. The latest revision is green in color, and what's great about it is that there's no tricks to installing it anymore. You used to have to hold the brake pedal down or put it in place, and you only had one try. The new green style can be installed without the brake pedal being pressed down, which means it can be installed with the brake pedal in the natural up position. And if you don't get it in the first time, you can also try again. There's nothing inside that brakes once you install it, so it can be installed multiple times. This means that the green style switch really is free of all the problems that plagued earlier versions. Let's go put it in the car. To begin, we need to remove the driver's side footwell under dash panel. Remove the 3 torque screws at the front edge. The panel is held in by a clip in the middle, so you'll need to pry the front panels out a bit to disengage the clip. With the panel out of the way, the brake light switch can be seen at the top of the brake pedal.
To remove the switch, we'll just grab the switch with our hand and rotate it counterclockwise about 15 to 20 degrees, and it'll pull straight out. After that, we'll disconnect the electrical connector that has 2 tabs on either side. Push those tabs in to remove the connector. We'll slide the new brake light switch in at the same angle we pulled the old one out, slightly diagonally to the left. Then we'll rotate it clockwise to lock it in place. After it's locked in place, we'll grab the electrical connector and click that back in place as well. We'll test before reassembling the car by pressing the brake pedal. Alright, this one looked good. Thanks for watching.